So email and SMS, it's very important not to look at them as separate things.
Email and SMS, when used in tandem together, has a 66 times ROI. So it's really important that you look at them as a consolidated channel used in tandem together.
SMS is a really important tool to use in conjunction with your email because it adds urgency and it adds personality to your brand. It also means that when we're scrolling through our phones first thing in the morning or last thing at night, we're still the top of mind for them.
I think email and SMS is better together because it just adds that extra touch point to remind people of that fantastic EDM they saw this morning.
Because they form different functions, I think that a misconception that people have is that an SMS should form the same function as an email, and this is not true. Email is a longer form, it takes time, and you're really trying to engage closely with your customer with information and educational content in an email. Whereas with an SMS, that's a very personal message and it's quite a short message. So you want to feel a lot more like you're valuing and you're really tailoring that message to just that individual.
Yeah, so SMS is a really personalized channel. So think of it as a channel that needs to be time-bound but mapped with urgency. So think of things like sales, promotions, or a discount code. SMS is really useful when you're nurturing your extremely loyal customers.
Having SMS and email together on a singular platform is extremely important. It's a left hand and a right hand situation. If somebody gets one message via email, it's going to be a waste to send them the exact same message via an SMS. But if they've got that same message, if they've got a message via email and you've seen that they haven't opened it, it might be worthwhile trying to send them an SMS. The only way you can really know that or be able to achieve that is by having both the email and the SMS in the same platform.
Using Klaviyo and having that visual journey really helps to see where SMS fits into the overall journey and where urgency is needed, because SMS works best when there's an urgency messaging put into it, and being able to complement your SMS with educational email means it's a really powerful way to encourage those customers to make that purchase in the long run.
Well, our biggest EDM day is Sunday. When you wake up on Sunday, you check your emails, you might have 20 from overnight. It's easy to get lost in the filter, whereas when you've got that addition of the SMS in the piece, it just gives that extra reminder to keep us top of mind, to make us stand out from the other noise in the EDM inbox, to then go through and purchase.
Yes, we're only getting into SMS recently. We had a view on SMS for quite some time in the business that it really wasn't for us because SMS is really timely and it's now, and our products might, or most of the time, aren't a now type of product. You can't get someone to buy a toilet off a whim, or because you send them an SMS with 10% off, they're going to buy a toilet. It's not that sort of product. But what we've come to realise, and as part of our partnership with Growth Gurus, we've come to realise that SMS could play a key part in different parts of our business. So it's not particularly a channel we're going to use all the time, and it's not for every customer, and it's not for every process within our business. But there definitely is some core parts of our strategy moving forward where SMS could really help close that loop on conversion.
The specific campaign, because it's top of mind, that went out on Sunday, the sales were 15,000 from the EDM, 6,000 from the SMS. So about 75-25 percentage. I don't think we'd be seeing the same results we would be seeing without the use of SMS. Like I said, the stats speak for themselves, and they've added an extra 25% of revenue onto our campaign sends.